Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best dehumidifiers on Amazon. Cracking a window may make it less stuffy, but that's hard to do when it's raining or freezing outside. A dehumidifier can suck up all the water vapor from your RV and make it more comfortable. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll give you an in-depth look at each of these top 5 products, discussing their strengths and weaknesses, and helping you decide which is right for you. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or you're new to the game, you're sure to find something that piques your interest. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Pro Breeze Electric Mini Dehumidifier. The Pro Breeze Electric Mini Dehumidifier is a small and lightweight humidity control device featuring a 16-ounce water tank. An LED light turns on when the water tank is full, and the unit automatically shuts off until the tank is drained. It filters out about 9 ounces of moisture a day and has an operating range of 150 square feet. The air intake compartment is located at the front and features built-in thermoelectric cooling technology for quiet operation. This dehumidifier works within temperatures of 59 to 86 degrees Fahrenheit. It only weighs 2.4 pounds and is portable enough to be used in RVs, bathrooms, kitchens, basements, garages, and bedrooms. What we like about it: the LED indicator tells you when the tank is full. Built-in thermoelectric cooling technology. Automatic shut-off when full. Lightweight and easy to carry anywhere. What we don't like about it: may not last very long. Can be loud while running. Number 2. EVA Dry Renewable Mini Dehumidifier. The EVA Dry Mini Dehumidifier doesn't require long power cables or batteries, as it uses silica gel technology to suck moisture out of the air. It has a working perimeter of 333 cubic feet and a capacity of 6 ounces. The unit can last for at least 20 days before renewal and will give you at least 10 years of service life. It has a small, lightweight design that can be directly plugged into a wall socket. The dehumidifier has no buttons but has crystal beads, silica gel, that change color from orange to green depending on the amount of vapor in the air. The crystals turn green when it's at capacity, and it needs to be plugged in for about 8 hours until the crystals turn orange. What we like about it: no cords or batteries required. Works in areas up to 333 cubic feet. Lasts for 20 days on each silica gel bead refill. Beads change color when it's time to replace. What we don't like about it: takes a while for the beads to dry. Device can get hot to the touch. Number 3. Pro Breeze 17 ounces Portable Mini Dehumidifier. As energy efficient as it is quiet, the Pro Breeze 17 ounces Portable Mini Dehumidifier allows you to pull moisture out of the air without noise, interrupting the peace and quiet of the great outdoors. This compact dehumidifier carries a 17-ounce water tank and can remove up to 8 ounces from the air per day in spaces of up to 215 square feet. And its small size makes it easy to stash out of the way inside your RV's available space. It's lightweight and easy to carry, and it boasts ultra-quiet operation. You might even forget it's present. However, with an auto shut-off feature, this device will turn off as soon as its tank is full. What we like about it: lightweight and easy to carry. LED tank full indicator. Automatic shut-off when the tank is full. Ultra-quiet operation. What we don't like about it: runs slowly. Only pulls up to 8 ounces of water per day. Number 4. EVA Dry Petite Dehumidifier. When it comes to small dehumidifiers, the EVA Dry EDV 1100 Petite Dehumidifier is a great choice. It's so small that it stands just 8.5 inches tall and fits seamlessly on countertops and tabletops, making it a fantastic fit for any RV or camper. It offers a 16-ounce water collection tank, and it pulls up to 8 ounces of water out of the day at a temperature of 86 degrees and a humidity level of 80%. But to add to its benefits, this dehumidifier is also low on power consumption, a perk that's great for RVs. With no compressor too, this device is also wonderfully quiet as it works. The addition of features like automatic water level detection and automatic shut-off when full are also quite handy. What we like about it: uses 22.5 watts of power. Automatically detects water level. Automatic shut-off. Fits on a tabletop. What we don't like about it: very limited capacity water tank. Number 5. Pure Enrichment Purity Deluxe Dehumidifier. Let your RV dehumidifier operate efficiently and effortlessly while you enjoy the outdoors and plug in the Pure Enrichment Pure Deluxe Dehumidifier. This sleek device is lightweight and slim, designed to fit in spaces that are out of your way, but it's also powerful. What we like about it: 2 speed settings. Automatic shutoff conserves energy. Quiet operation. Backed by a 5-year warranty. What we don't like about it: expensive. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products.